Good morning, all students. I hope you are doing well during COVID-19. Stay home to be safe. And now we are going to learning the new topic how to clean the glassware. So the teacher take for 2 class today. For first one is water goblet and second one is hypo class. So now we will practice all together. Before I want to show to all of you. You should have some materials such as the container for put the little bit of hot water and just normal water temperature. And second one that you should have is the clean cloth. Make sure before you use it for clean the glassware or whipping the glassware. That one is new from laundry and also no smell and no dirty. So now let's start all together. So this one is hot water. So if you want to whip in the glass, it should be cover the water goblet on the hot water to getting a little bit smoke inside the body of water goblet like that. Okay. So one more time for you. Okay. And then replace the bottom of the water goblet at the end of the clean cloth. Okay, so you use the end or the last of the clean cloth, put inside the body of water goblet and you swirl it like that. Gently, not use your heavy power because you can make the water goblet is broken. Just gently and slowly. Then you can see if have some little bit dirty or some finger mark, you can spot check to any part of the water goblet and clean it again. Okay, spot check again. Okay, clean the body outside and look the bottom of the water goblet. This one we finished already, so we get the properly cleaning water goblet. Okay. So second one is hypo glass. You can see a little bit dirty. Okay, so we drop all the hot water. So you can swirl it. Finish. Spot check again. Clean the body of hypo glass. See the button on hypo glass and looks it again. So right now we have been destroyed the dirty on the glassware. So we finished already. So I hope that you will practice and follow our step. And see you for next video. Thank you so much for your pay attention or watching this video.